If you want to level up your career, your relationships, and even your confidence, then listen carefully, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn one powerful shift that instantly upgrades your communication skills. And the crazy part, it's so simple that anyone can do it starting today. So grab your water, take a seat, and welcome back to the channel. Let's jump right into it. Problem. Most people think communication is about talking well, but that's not true. Great communication actually starts before you speak. Ever met someone who talks a lot but says nothing meaningful? Or someone who explains things but nobody understands them? Or someone who freezes when it's time to speak in public? That happens because communication is a skill, not a talent. And if you're not consciously improving it, it gets weaker. Today, I'll give you the one habit that transforms your clarity, confidence, and influence. The one habit. All right, here it is. The habit: think in headlines. Before you speak, before you text, before you present, before you explain anything, ask yourself this one question. What is my headline? Meaning, what's the main point I want to deliver? Once your headline is clear, the listener understands you faster and trusts you more. Why this works. Here's why this simple habit is insanely powerful. People's attention spans are short. Clear message equals higher respect. Your brain organizes thoughts better. Listeners feel like you're confident and decisive. You avoid rambling, filler words, awkward pauses. This is why CEOs, news anchors, teachers, and great leaders use this technique every day. Practical examples. Imagine these two ways of speaking, without headline. So I was thinking like maybe we could have changed the project plan because with headline, my main point, we need to update the project plan. Here's why. See the difference. It's simple, direct, professional. Another example. So yesterday something happened at work. Yesterday, I learned a lesson about handling stress. 3 mini techniques. Here are 3 add-on techniques that make your headline even stronger. 1. Speak in short sentences. Break ideas into pieces. Short sentences equals more impact. 2. Pause after important points. Pauses make you sound confident and help the listener process the idea. 3. Use the point, reason, example, formula. Say your headline. Explain why. Give an example. Done. Body language plus voice tips. Communication isn't just talking. Your body and voice matter too. Stand or sit upright. People trust confident posture. Keep steady eye contact. Not staring, just calm focus. Use vocal variation. Change tone and speed to keep listeners engaged. Smile slightly. It relaxes your voice and makes you sound friendly. Daily practice routine. If you want daily improvement, here's a 1-minute practice routine. Step 1. Pick any topic. Step 2. Think of the headline. Step 3. Explain it in 3-4 sentences. Step 4. Record yourself. Step 5. Watch, adjust, repeat. You'll see changes in 7 days. Guaranteed. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment saying, "I'm improving," and subscribe for more communication and success hacks. Thanks for watching, and remember, great communicators aren't born, they're built. See you in the next video.